Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 3rd, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures here, you're going to see the futures are trading lower by just 2 points to 1981.5 per contract. Again, market had a pretty good rally yesterday, follow-through day, and today the markets are kind of holding steady for the most part. Now, tomorrow is the big, highly anticipated non-farm payroll report, so maybe the markets really just pause here today, but we'll see. There are some stocks in the news, and that's really what we care about. We're going to start with the big one here, Costco, major retailer. You're going to see that stock is trading lower today, closed at 152.79. It is now trading at $148.40. So Costco is down a little bit. One level that I do see for Costco today that will have good support if it does trade down there would be right around 142, 141.80, somewhere in that vicinity. That is a level where you can own Costco today. Otherwise, I don't see much, and we'll have to wait till the opening bell rings, and then we'll look at the chart pattern and see what it's telling us. But right now, Costco down a little bit. It's actually down about 4 points, so a decent little slip for Costco. But we will be looking at this one today. This is a stock that we do play very, very often in the intraday stock chat room. Next one on the board is going to be KR, which is Kroger. I will have gap levels for this one. So Kroger right now trading decently lower, down at $37.51 today. So again, I will have some levels for Kroger once the opening bell rings. If you want to trade Costco, Kroger alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. You get to see our desktops, and you trade right alongside of us. But Kroger closed at $40.65, now trading at $37.50. That's a decent drop on Kroger today. So again, we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Herbalife. Looks like they had to come out with some news about their books. I don't understand it, but I didn't really get a chance to look at it deeply. But either way, the stock sold off sharply down to 47, and now it's back up to 53. So we'll see how it plays out. The stock did close at 56.38 yesterday. Right off the bat, when I look at the stock, that 47 level was a pretty good pivot area. I would have looked a little bit lower, around 46, but nonetheless, this is going to be in play today. So again, keep an eye on Herbalife. Right now, there's not much we're going to do with it. We want to see how this thing opens up once the opening bell sounds off at 9:30. But nonetheless, Herbalife will be in play today. Let's take a look at SMTC, which is Semtech. And what you're going to see here, this is gapping up nicely, closed at 1933, trading at 2150. Give this the upside bias to 2208. At 2208, 2210, I think that's a fade opportunity. So keep this on the radar. That's the resistance level I came up mathematically just a little while ago. So again, we're going to look for this one to go up to around 2210. If it gets there, I think it can be faded. Next one I want to take a look is HABT. And this is HABT Restaurant. And what you're going to see here is stock is getting mauled. Closed at 2110, trading at 1832. I believe this is a new all-time low, or close to its double bottom low. I think its all-time low is 1765. That's probably where it's going. There's no reason to own this stock. Leave it alone. If you own it, I would sit tight. Don't panic. But if you don't own it, do not get involved in this name at this time. This stock has to get to its double bottom low at 1765, and even with that, it may even break it. So be careful here. Let's take a look at SIEN. SIEN is the ticker symbol here. This reminds me of the 90s when I talk about this stock. All right, so Sienna Corp trading down to 1960, closed at 2071. I wouldn't do much with Sienna Corp here. This is a pretty good break, pretty good fall. The one thing that I will say about the equity right now is that the next support level that I see for the equity is going to be around $15.30. Until it gets there, I wouldn't do anything with it, so keep that on the radar. Next one, we want to talk about Credit Suisse. And again, European bank stocks are holding up well, hence we've had a market rally. Credit Suisse right now trading up to 1545, closed at 1484. So it still, looks terrible on the charts, but a nice little move higher for Credit Suisse today. Let's take a look at Stratasys SSYS, 3D printer maker. What you're going to see here, 2330, stock closed at 2089. That's a good pop for Stratasys. I think it's overbought at these levels, so just be a little bit careful with it. but I do think it is overbought here. Nice pop up, but I would not look for any upside. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, what I would be doing now is just leaving it alone and look for topping signs. In sympathy to Stratasys this morning, you may get 3D Systems to pop as well. And yeah, you can see that's already up, trading at $12.29, closed at $11.77. So 3D Systems is higher in sympathy to Stratasys. Now 3D is coming into a major resistance level at $12.82. Keep that in mind. It is already overbought. All right, let's move over to the gold market. Gold is flat today, trading down 30 cents, $1,241.50 an ounce. Crude oil trading down 22 cents a barrel to $34.44 a barrel. So again, crude and gold really just down a touch. Gold has been very, very resilient as of late. It is a little bit overbought on the chart, so you want to wait for a more defined pattern there. But again, we have more for you each and every night in the research center as far as gold is concerned. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.